Hey YouTube, back with another video. This one is a little different. It's a scratching box that I got. It's not nails. But for anybody who has curly or wavy hair, etc., might be for you. Okay, so let's open this. I'm gonna turn this around so I ain't gotta edit in the video. I'm just gonna have it upside down for me. Alright. So we have is the CurlKit. Upside down so you can see. Get different things in here. So you got this right here. It just tells you what in the book and how to take care of your hair and all that stuff. So right here, I had this so many times before. This is a leave-in conditioner. The Tangler and conditioner. It's called Sunny Yall. Turn it this way, sorry. Sunny Yall. What's this? It's a hair mask. Oh, it smells very good. It's thick too. Okay. And this is mousse. You got curly hair. It just curl your hair a little better. It's defining. A lot of body. And this one is from Mystic Black. Novex. I'm not sure. And this is the last thing we got. It's just for me. Curl piece. This is for kids. Okay, so it's braiding and twisting grip glaze. Let's see. Ooh, it smells so good. So this is basically the stuff. Ooh, okay. For braiding hair, this helps you grip every piece of hair. I guess it puts it into place. It's kind of like a gel, but it don't get hard. It just holds the hair in place, if that makes any sense. This is a really short video. I'm just showing what you got. What I got. Oh my gosh. I did that anyway. So here's all that you get in the box. You get these 4 things. I can't wait to get my other box because they hook you up. And then a little pamphlet for everything that's inside. But yeah, this is for, I'll show you again. It's CurlKit. CurlKit.com. You don't have to buy a box. They actually sell everything separately. If you want to do that yourself, you could. And I didn't have the mic next to me this whole freaking time. That was the whole point. So I guess it's on the camera. But I hope you enjoyed my video. Super short. Just want to show you what they have for the August box. September box. September. Yeah, September. Fall fever. Alright you guys, see you in my next video. Bye.